Hello everyone, let's see the solution to this very interesting geometry problem in which circumcenter and incenter are beautifully related. It's a problem from pre-regional mathematical Olympiad. Before moving to the solution, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel. Let's see the solution to this problem. Here we have been given that in a triangle ABC, O is the circumcenter of the triangle and O lies in the interior of the triangle ABC. So this is the circumcenter which we have considered, and this is the circle which will be passing through ABC, whose center will be O. Now, I is the incenter of the triangle ABC. What is incenter? It is the intersection point of the angle bisector. So here, if we consider I as the incenter, what the property given to us regarding this question is that I lies on the circle passing through O, B and C. So let us make it pass through the circle passing through O, B and C. This is the red circle which is passing through O, B and C, and incenter lies on it. We need to find the angle BAC. Angle BAC, that is the required angle which we need to find. Now let's understand how to solve this interesting problem. Now before moving to the solution, you should remember that if we have a triangle ABC and O is the circumcenter of this triangle, then angle BOC comes out to be 2 times of angle A. As we know that the angle subtended by a chord or an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by the same chord at the remaining part of the circumfer. Now if we consider this in our diagram, then this will be angle BOC, which will be 2 times of angle A. Now let us understand about this point I. I is the incenter of triangle ABC. That's why angle BIC will be 90 degree plus half of angle A. This is the relation between angle BIC and angle BAC. Now we will get angle BIC as 90 degree plus half of angle A. You should remember all these relations. That will make this question solving very easy. So now in our diagram, if we mark this angle, this is angle BIC. This will be 90 degree plus half of angle A. Now you can see that on this red circle we have a chord BC which is subtending angle BIC and angle BOC. So we know that angle BIC will be equals to angle BOC as the angle, they are the angle in the same segment. We substitute the value of angle BIC and angle BOC, they will be equal, and on simplifying we are going to get angle A as 60 degree. So this is the angle BAC which will be 60 degree. That's the required answer for this question. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.